Hey budgeties, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Mo. I'm 28, working on my financial freedom journey by budgeting my income, my monthly budget, paycheck to paycheck, cash stuffing, saving money, paying off debt, investing money, and I create budgeting goods. So I create budget planners, printables, free printables on paperbymmo.com, printables you gotta pay for, as well as a lot of other stuff. And if you're returning, hey friends. So in this video, what I'm gonna do is go over my second paycheck budget for the month of July. I'm gonna budget it out and we're gonna get right into these numbers. So I'm pretty sure that paycheck one, I was over in food. Actually, I'm not pretty sure, I know for a fact I was over in food, but I'm not going to do a whole video closing it out because it would be quick. I think I'm just gonna do like a little short video, you know, the little reels, shorts, TikToks, whatever you want to call them. Post that, and just because it's gonna be nice, simple, and right to the point. So if you're wondering, yes, I am working in my budget planner. It is Mo Budget, Less Problems. It's available on paperbymmo.com. What else? Your girl, that's me, I'm your girl, is about to get in her bag with a blog on Paper by Mo. I feel like I have a lot of stuff I want to say, and everybody and their mother, father, brother, cousin, sister has a podcast. I was like, why not do a blog on paperbymmo.com? So there is a blog tab. The first one, it was from years ago when I first introduced myself, but your girl's gonna start putting out more information, more blogs about money, finances, budgeting, all that stuff. So I'm so excited. Okay. So this is gonna be, let me make sure I'm on the right one, and I am. This is gonna be paycheck number 2. If you see the setup, it's a little bare because we are literally in the midst of moving. So I was like, boo, let me get this in. He said, okay. So this is paycheck number 2. We're gonna say today is, I don't know what today is, but we're gonna say it's the 19th, 23, and we're gonna tap in. Oh, did you guys see I got my nails done? Over budget, okay? These, they look so natural, right? But these are the same acrylic that I had before. I just had them like filer down. I mean, like all the way down. And to all the she's, the hims, the theys, the thems that get their nails extra long and can live a good life, shout out to you. But me, I struggled. I couldn't even write. So I like them short, you know, maybe every now and then a little medium for a little jazz, a little spunk. But this is my jam right here, so let's tap into it. Okay, so first thing first, income starting out, we're just gonna say like what's starting, meaning what's in my account. Your girl got zilch, nada, nothing. Okay, and then so my actual income, we're gonna put right here, full time. Oh my gosh, I'm writing so much better. I love this for me. Okay, so this is my full-time job. We're gonna have $1,955.66. okay, that's all we're budgeting in this paycheck. So yeah, I kind of want to figure out what am I gonna do about the food, because I know I was over for the first paycheck for the food. Do I want to leave a little bit of extra money to cover, like, because I want to know why I was over. I don't know, like questions. Your girl got questions. So when it comes to fixed expenses, I paid all my fixed expenses with the first paycheck. So my phone bill, internet, gym, electricity, car insurance, life insurance, and streaming services, that's what the bills that I have. So there shouldn't be any fixed expenses there, darling. But we can get right into the variable. So first things up, I'm gonna write out food. Then we have 52-week savings challenge. Then we have our $10 challenge. We also have a 1 month ahead, which is a sinking fund, but I like to, I don't know, I think I like to write it out because like I'm focusing on it. I want to hurry up and get that funded. Sinking fund. Then we also have honeymoon. So when I put sinking fund, I should put an S because those are other sinking funds, right? Honeymoon is a sinking fund, but it's a big one. And then trip. So basically I had to pay for a flight for somebody's wedding that's coming up in September. Yes, I forgot. Did I really forget, or is it willful forgetfulness? I don't know. I was gonna look at transactions, but she's not there. Okay, so when it comes to trip, $303.97. So we're just gonna put that down, $303.97, darling. Okay, 303.97. Ow. So that can be covered. So I'm thinking, so when it comes to 52 weeks, I set aside to save $46 a paycheck, which is, this is probably the cheapest 42 weeks month I've had, because 46 and 46, like, it's giving affordable. 46. I'm so excited to see what that 52-week savings challenge is gonna look like in my high yield savings account. If you missed or didn't see the video or whatever, I have put my 52-week savings challenge in my 1 month ahead in a high yield savings account. I am gonna cash stuff it, but I put those bigger, you know, numbers in the high yield savings account so it can get some interest, because your girl won't free money. Like, I won't argue. Okay, and then so we have $10 challenge, which is going to be $50 because I do $100 the whole month. So 1 month ahead, I am gonna give myself $50, and then honeymoon, darling. I'm gonna give myself $100, which is also in a high yield savings account. Oh boy. So when it comes to food, I don't know. I'm thinking, y'all call me crazy, I'm thinking $300. That means $550, but because again, I was already over and I haven't exactly calculated how much over I was, your girl got to get into it. So let's just look at the numbers, because the numbers don't lie. 1955.66 is how much is coming in. We're gonna subtract 300 minus 46 minus 50 minus 50 minus 100 minus 303.97. So that would be $1,105.69. And then I'm gonna do my sinking funds, is just gonna simply be, actually, I'm not even gonna write that out. We're gonna move on to savings just because I wanna see what the numbers are gonna look like. Okay, so savings, my goal was, I don't know if I wrote the goal down, but I made up the goal in my mind to invest $1,000. Let me see. So when I did the monthly budget, I said $1,249, so $800 in my emergency fund, $150, $150, $150. And I think it was when I went over my quarters, right? When I reviewed the second quarter, because are we in the third right now? July, August, September. Yes, we are in the third quarter. So when I went over that, I was like, dang girl, you gotta do better with investing. So your girl's about to go hard with investing. So all that to say, let's do our FIRE account. Financial independence, retire early. This specifically is my Fidelity account. I just call it my FIRE. Then I have M1, which is an investment account. Then I have an IRA, and then I also have my emergency fund. Okay, so for my FIRE, I'm going to give it, y'all, $325. So for FIRE, before I gave it $150. So I'm just trying to make sure, I think my numbers all add up to $1,000. Okay, that's what your girl is doing here. So IRA, we're gonna give $125, and then when it comes to M1, we're gonna give $200. And emergency fund, so that's the emergency fund number, and the sinking fund numbers are the numbers I'm about. Okay, I'm okay. And then so let's get to student loans. So let's just add everything up. So that was $1,105.69. Now we're gonna add a plus 325 plus 200 plus 125. That's $1,755.69. That means there's $200 left over, darling. And this, wait, is it really? yeah, $1755.69. So I was just gonna budget out for my student loans. She needs $150 at minimum, okay? She gotta get her money because we got loans to pay off. I don't know if y'all saw, but I did look at my student loans and it said that September, that's the month. September is the month I gotta start paying back. And I don't know, I don't like it. I don't like it, but here we are. So let's do this again and we'll start with variable expenses and then go to savings and then go to debt. Okay, let's do it again. So 1955.66, no, let's just add them up first. 300 plus 46 plus 50 plus 50 plus 100 plus 303.97. That's 849. Did I do that right? Let's do it one more time. 300 plus 46 plus 100, because 50 and 50, plus another 100 plus 303.97. So that's 849.97, and I'm gonna add $100. Okay, so we're gonna do 100 there, I think, or maybe we'll do 50. I don't know. We'll see. That's $949. So the total is gonna be $949.97. Okay, and then we're gonna subtract $1,955.66. Okay, so we have a remaining balance of $1,005.69. Usually I budget off camera first, and I did, but the numbers, I don't know how I feel about them, to be honest. 325 plus 200 plus 125 plus if I do 50, that's 700, okay, minus 1,005.69. There's $305 left. Am I tripping? I might be tripping. Okay, so we have 325 plus 200 plus 125. That's 650. And then I'm gonna add 100. Okay, so my total here is gonna be $750, okay? So we have a total of $1,005.69. We're gonna minus 750. That's gonna be $255.69. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and give this sinking fund 150 then. Boom, shakalaka. Because you know what? I'm just trying to be realistic, y'all. I'm just trying to be realistic. So let's add it up one more time. So we have 300. I am all over the place though. All over the place. Okay, so we have 300 plus 46 plus 100, because the 50 plus 150 sinking funds plus 100 honeymoon plus here we go again. 300 plus 46 plus 100 plus 150, right? Yep, plus 100 plus 303.97. So that, have I lost my mind? Has the mind been lost? Okay, the new number here is $999.97. Duh, because 50 plus 49 is 99. So we're gonna take $999.97 and we're gonna subtract 1,955.66. So we have $955.69 left. Oh God. Okay. don't like the feeling of writing on whiteout, but this is what happens when you make mistakes, honey. 955.69. I don't like the way it looks either. Okay. 955.69.69, and then we're gonna subtract $750. Okay, so that means that we're gonna have a remaining of $205.69. So we're gonna just do some arrows. Okay, 205.69, and then we're moving her over here because when I say the struggle has been real, minus 150, that's gonna leave $55.69. You know what that means? Your girl's adding another $50. So we're gonna give student loans 200. This makes me think that my numbers that I did before were completely off. Completely. So let's do 200. Okay, and that's 205.69. And we're gonna subtract 200. That's gonna be $5.69. So the total here is, okay, total here is 200, and then remaining is gonna be 569. Y'all, I feel like it was giving complicated, and for what? Why? Remember when I said we were packing? I literally had to go search and find for this right here. So this is gonna be cash money. So like I said, although your girl is doing 52 weeks in her high yield savings account, as I'm talking in the third person, I'm still gonna highlight it because I'm still gonna do cash stuffing, you know, for until like the number gets back to 1,000 or something like that. Same thing with 1 month ahead, sinking funds. Yep. Honeymoon, no, because I have a high yield savings account for that. And then trip, I owe my credit card. So I'm gonna say credit card. And I really need to take this $300 out in food because y'all, we be struggling. But I don't really do cash in my wallet anymore, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. So yeah, that is what we have. No bills in this budget, so I'm grateful and thankful for that. By the time I get paid again for the top of August, for August, I will have, by the time my bills are due is what I'm trying to say, then I'll get my paycheck. So I'm not gonna worry about that just quite yet. So no bills here. My FIRE M1 IRA, we are trying to be financially independent and retire early, and we're also trying to pay off debt here, student loans. So two of them, two birds. I don't know if there's one stone because it's feeling like about 5 different stones here, but anyway, yeah, so 325. I hope that makes a big nice chunk of a difference. Same with the 201, 125 for my IRA, $100 in my emergency fund. I don't know if you guys see my post, but recently I did take money out to help out my fiance with his private student loans. So my emergency fund is not as high as it once was. I think we're at 11,000. I had 14 grand at one point, but the way the money has been moneying, y'all, ooh, Chile. Nonetheless, I'm grateful and thankful and blessed for that 11 grand. Food, I went over budget, so now I'm like, let me, if anything, even if I don't hit 300, I'm gonna owe my credit card whatever I went over budget for. 52 week savings is a challenge, $10 challenge, 1 month ahead, just so we can literally get 1 month ahead of all of our bills, which will be going down once we move. And then honeymoon, because we don't know where we want to go, but we want to spend some money, okay? We want it to be nice and lavish. So there's that. So that means I really need to start putting more money into the honeymoon. And then the trip, I already charged my card, so I owe myself that back. This $200 for my student loans are not being paid directly to my student loan balance. Instead, it would be put in my student loans high yield savings account so it can gain interest until I put it all one lump sum in my actual student loans. This was a video, y'all. I really struggled to get these numbers right, but it's real life and life happens. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.